In this video, we will go through the steps of how to test a thermistor. A thermistor is a type of resistor whose electrical resistance varies when there is a change in temperature. AUX mini-splits, like all mini-splits, rely on thermistors to monitor temperatures. A faulty thermistor can trigger error codes. These codes are clearly displayed on the AUX indoor unit LED display. To understand what the code identifies, check the sensor chart in the service manual. We'll test the thermistors with the multimeter to find any problems. Safety first. Always power off and unplug the AUX mini-split before you start. You will need a multimeter, a screwdriver, and your AUX mini-split service manual to confirm the thermistor's location, the error code, and the sensor chart for the resistance values. Identify the thermistor using the error code on the AUX indoor unit's display. Here are the error codes and the thermistors. Note, multi-zone AUX systems may have additional sensors and error codes. Check your service manual for that model's specifics. Once you've identified the thermistors, use a screwdriver to gently remove the panel and slide out the vertically placed PCB. Look for a small sensor harness with 4 wires. That's your indoor unit thermistors. Unplug the thermistor from the connector carefully. To test the thermistor, set your multimeter to resistance mode. Look for the omega symbol. Place the probes on the thermistor's 2 terminals. Before testing, check the current room temperature with a thermometer. Refer to the sensor chart in the AUX service manual to find the expected resistance for your thermistor at the current room temperature. For reference, at 77 Fahrenheit, you should see 15 k ohms for your indoor ambient or outdoor ambient sensors. Compare your multimeter reading to the sensor's chart value. If it matches, the thermistor is likely fine. The error code may point to another issue. If it is significantly off or shows no resistance or an open circuit, the thermistor is faulty and could cause your error code. It is time to replace your thermistor. For extra accuracy, it is always good to test at a different temperature. To do this, place the thermistor in warm water around 100 Fahrenheit and measure the resistance. Use the sensor chart to verify the expected value, which should be lower than the room temperature. Testing thermistors on the AUX mini-split is easy using error codes and the thermistor chart.